How to create Tonkeeper Wallet. Now, in order to create your account on Tonkeeper Wallet, the first thing that you need to do is to simply download and install Tonkeeper Wallet in your device. For that, you need to open either Google Play Store if you are using an Android device, or if you are using iPhone, then you simply need to go to your App Store. Over here, you need to search for Tonkeeper. Now, once you are able to find the Tonkeeper application, you need to tap on the install button or the get option, and you just have to simply install it in your device. Afterwards, tap on the open button over here in order to launch your Tonkeeper wallet. Now, once it is launched successfully, the interface of this application will look something like this, where you need to tap on create new wallet and provide a passcode. After that, you need to re-enter the passcode. You need to make sure that you remember this passcode. Then it will ask you whether you want to get instant notifications. So if you want to enable them, then tap on the enable notifications. But for this video, I'm gonna keep it on later. Now you have successfully created your Tonkeeper wallet, but here is the first step that you need to do. You need to tap on the settings icon in the top right hand corner and then select the backup option. From here, you need to backup your account's seed phrase successfully, and you need to keep it somewhere safe. Next time, whenever you want to log in into your Tonkeeper wallet, you will need that backup phrase, so you need to make sure that you backup it manually. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.